Hey guys, it's time to twin it, and today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make these since you guys have been asking. So yeah. Alright, first you're going to want to have like paper. I used like already colored paper, so I don't have to waste time to like color it and like use my markers and waste my time. But yeah, you could do this, and then you're going to want to get your stuffing. Put it in the center. You can put like as much stuffing you want depending on the size you're making it. I think this one should be good, but you kind of want to shape it into like kind of a ball, like circle. And then you will want to fold the sides. Then tape it down like this. Once you're done like taping it, it should look like this, and this is what the back should look like. And you could shape it how you want by just taping it down like this. And then you're going to want to get your cling wrap and then put your squishy down and then pull the sides to the center like this. And once you're done doing that, you kind of want to pumpkin stem and then tape it down like how I did here. And then you're gonna want to like make it more like a circle. And you can just tape it down like before. Now with all this stuff, the eyebrows, I just made a square shape, and I did the same thing that I did with this, and same with the eyes and the hearts. Now this, I made it like together with the eyebrow, and I did that, and then this part, I just got some stuffing and I rolled it up with the paper, and then I put it together, and that's how I got this. Just become a member. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye!